I'm Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. I have Brenda back with me. We did her color. We are going to do her cut. We're going to start in the back. She likes it just blunt and straight across. So I'm going to show you this. It's asymmetrical. So her front, we keep the one side longer and the other side short. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to take the little trimmers and just clean this up, trim this up here on the back. I swear, every time I get my hair done, that's the best. Is that the best feeling, Brenda?
Yes.
You're like, I know. Yeah, it's just cleaned up. Yeah. So true. Okay, so this top, we need to take shorter.
Yours shorter than mine.
Do you want, what's that, sweetie?
Oh, sorry. Is yours shorter than mine? Back here? I don't know.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, mine's shorter.
Do you think it'd be better a little bit shorter, or will I?
Yeah, no. Yeah, we can absolutely take it shorter. No, don't be sorry. That's good. I'm glad that you told me. Yeah, we'll take a little shorter.
Okay.
And then this is more styled when this is shorter. Not that it's not styled. It just stays clean.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it feels styled longer.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I'm glad that you said that. So thank you. Okay, so this is about 5 weeks of growth for Brenda that I'm taking off, you can see. Yeah, no, Brenda, I'm glad that you said that.
Because I just feel like it starts to curl after.
Okay, yeah.
You know?
Yeah, you don't want it to curl and be annoying. Yeah, so, and then after I cut it, I'll show them what I'm gonna do. I'll come in and just tighten it.
Okay.
Just through the edges and stuff, that'll be good. Okay, so point cutting into that. And then of course back here, I can feel my fingers on her head. So that's how short it is back here, just so you know. Okay, and now this. Same thing, I'm just coming straight out from the head, a 90-degree angle. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna feel good to go shorter back there.
Yeah.
I think you'll like it a lot.
I don't know, just after.
Just feeling, yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
it just goes.
Yep, then you won't have to deal with it. Okay, now we'll do this side. Now this side. Same thing, just point cutting, holding it at a 90-degree angle, which is just straight out from the head. Okay, now by her ear over here, I'm going to take this little length, take that off. Okay, and at the very end, I'll show you how I come in and tighten that. Okay, so we're going to take from the top of her head and come straight across here. I'm holding her bangs all the way up because I'm not taking length off of those. So if I hold those all the way up, see how they fall out? Then I'm not taking length off of that. So you can just make sure that they fall out. Or if you want it longer or shorter, if you want it shorter, just make sure they're in there and they don't fall out so you can go shorter. But we don't want to take any length off of them. Okay. So I'm gonna hold this out, take a little bit off here. Just coming, you know, around the head. Okay, same right here. Gonna hold this out. You doing good, Brenda?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Okay, now this side. I'm gonna take some of this length. Come up there, and then I'm gonna angle down. Just gonna trim that a little bit. Okay, now this side. I'm gonna hold this out. And I'm going up to that layer. You can see this layer up here. That's what I am connecting that to. Point cutting up to that. Okay, I'm gonna just bring these shears up this way. Just keep combing that hair just so I can get it. So they're, like after we dry, there's no long pieces. That's why I just comb it like that. Just take little pieces out of that. Just making sure there's no, see there's a couple little pieces there that we're getting. Okay, and now her bangs, I am just gonna come through and piece those out. I'll come on this side. Open and shut the shears. Just so you can see, I take a little bit of the hair that's up in, out. Just so it's not so thick at that bottom. So when I go to style it, it'll be more piecey. Okay, now texture.
Yes.
Definitely need texture, huh?
Yes. I pull.
Love it, love it. So I'm just coming in here with it also. Okay, now those were the teeth that are closer together. Now the teeth that are more chunky, I like to take that just up through the very ends. Can you see how I'm at the ends? Just because I want it to be more piecey and different lengths just at the top, just so it makes it look cute when it's styled. So just those ends. And then a tiny bit down here through these ends. Okay, sweet. Now just comb that hair out. And then what I wanted to show you, I changed combs. It's a fine comb, it's tight, it's thin. I like to come through this bottom. And I'm just gonna make this a little tighter through this bottom area. That way it won't flip out or start curling like she said. It'll just be a little tighter. Just makes the haircut look a little more clean for longer. So I'm glad that you mentioned that, Brenda. Thank you.
Oh,
That's awesome. Super happy for that. So you can see I'm holding the comb out, not all the way into her head. I bring it into her head, but then I pull out a little bit. Okay. Yep, I think that's great. A little bit more over here. Okay, sweet. Now we can do the mousse. It'll be cute, the color. You'll see what I mean by, you know, we had put some dark in with it so it can have some dimension in there. When we pull it up, it's gonna be super cute. Okay, volume and lift spray. Okay, now we just dry the back, just down, back and forth. You can see I'm moving my hands back and forth up here, but you can also see that I'm drying to the side. So I'm bringing this way. Okay, if you have an epic brush, you can bring that in. Go back and forth up here on the top. Just on the sides, you can come down. Okay, how's that feeling? Better?
Yes, way
Feel
better.
Feel that back too. See how that's a little
Yeah.
tighter?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
Then,
Good, good, good. Okay, I'm just gonna take my flat iron and just stick these few pieces up here. And then the styling paste. Just rub this in my fingers here. Okay, now I'm gonna turn her to the mirror so I can see where I'm putting the paste.
that was so much better.
Is that, thank you.
Yes.
See that
Okay.
color? It's so cute with the
Yeah.
dark in it. It just
Yeah,
gives
it
it
Yeah.
the dimension, don't you think?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, how do the bangs feel? Do they feel short enough? Are they about right?
They're just right.
Just right, okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Because I don't like them
Too short, okay.
but not too.
Yeah, you want it to last, but
Yeah.
kind of like hot and cold. We don't
I
like it when it's too
know.
hot. Don't like it when it's cold. We want it just
Yeah.
about like 70s.
Oh yeah, that feels
70 degrees.
good. Yeah.
Okay, sweet. Now I'm gonna spray this. Okay, one more time to the front mirror. Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah, that is very cute.
Thank you.
Yeah, that.
Is that about right?
Yeah, yeah.
Good, good. Okay, well, thank you, Brenda. Fun to see you guys again. I appreciate your support and love these cute three sisters. They're so fun. I love it. So you guys have a great day and we'll see you next time. See ya.